Hello friend, this is the sixth video of the Java series, and in this video we are going to learn how Java works. And if you are new to the channel and want to learn Java, then start now by hitting the subscribe button. So here create an file and save it by .java extension, and make sure the file's first letter should be capital, and according to the Java convention write a class and the class name should be the file name and the main method, and keep the program simple. And here print an string. I'm printing code gain, so you can print your name or anything. Save the file, and coming to the cmd, locate to the where you save file, and see here until now we just have first.java file. We don't have our .class file, but when we run our Java file, then the .class file is generated by the JVM. So write here Java C and the file name by which you saved your file, uh, first.java, enter, and see here our .class file is generated. .class file is nothing but .class file is consist of bytecode, and while for running the file we don't need .java file, we just need .class file. So you can delete your .java file and write here java .first. See, we can run our code without the .java file, because at running time we just use a .class file, and .class file is understandable by every machine. But what if you don't follow the convention of Java and you make class name differently? Rather than first, you use second. Now come to the cmd again, and again compile your file by its file name. So write java c, mean Java compiler, and first, not second. Don't use second because second is class name, not file name. So here use first, and hit the enter. It's compiled successfully. And here see, for the first Java file we have first class file, but for the second class we have our second class file. And every time you change the name of class, there is a .class file generated via its name by which you save your file. And now run the class. See, we can run our code via another class name, but what if you use here public keyword? Because in Java every packages have public keyword. And now run, save the file and compile it again. Java C first.java. See, here is the error that first.java file did not containing a first class file. This is the error I'm talking about. If you want a class in your Java file, then name it as your file name, because in Java every packages have public keyword. And as you move further in Android development and web development, there is auto generated code by its ID, and they all have public keyword. So always use public keyword and name your class as your file name. And let's see, correct this code by removing second to the first, and come save the file again, and come to the cmd and clear the screen and compile it again. First.java, it's compiled successfully, and right here Java first. See, we have correct output. And if you are enjoy the video, then hit the like button and subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends.